In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching. So please watch the video till the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do to fix this issue is simply click here on your search bar and search for add or remove programs. Now you will see the list of all your installed apps, so simply click here on search and search for Roblox. Now in Roblox right here, just click on the three dots icon and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the Reset section. Now you want to repair the app. So wait for a few seconds. Now after repairing it, click on Reset, and now it should work right. So if it still doesn't work for you, the best thing you can do now is to simply uninstall the app and reinstall it using the Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store after uninstalling and search Roblox from here. So click on Roblox and simply download it from here. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.